Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to 6th Gear Auto. My name is Sam, and I'm out in Tifton for Cars and Coffee today. There was another one going on. I didn't feel like going. It was at my old job, and I don't want to be anywhere near them anymore. But I drove out to Tifton in the Mustang. There's some cool stuff here, and I'm going to show you guys how cool this stuff is. A lot of older trucks. I'm digging the old Chevy 3100 right here. Straight 6, or straight 8. It looks like almost. Or no, straight 6. I was right. Got the C6. Thought it was a Z06 for a second, but it's not. You can see though, 911 turbo. That is gorgeous in chalk. Black wheels. The old Trans Am with a, I don't remember, the G-body Buick Pontiac GTO, my car. Chevy SS, very cool because I do love these cars. Another Mustang, Coyote swap possibly? Nah, yeah, that's a Coyote swap. That's gorgeous. Focus ST. Got some more Mustangs. GT500. Absolute favorite GT500. LS swapped GMC pickup. Another LS swapped GMC pickup. Drag spec Mustang. Gorgeous. Got a Mustang, but we got two classic Camaro SS's. Those are gorgeous. While I know that a lot of people are iffy on the C8, I do love the C8 Spider, especially with the high wing like this one has. Humvee with a modded Mustang. More Corvettes, more Mustangs. That's cool. A Marmon Roosevelt. You never see old cars like this at shows anymore. And I think the last time I saw anything like this was at Amelia Island a year and a half ago. Ram T-Rex. AC Cobra. I'm assuming kit car, but I might be wrong. It's gorgeous. It's got the 427 in it. Got some more classics. Very pretty. Buick Grand National GNX. The first real boosted V6 muscle car. Chevette. Kind of cool. You never see Chevettes. Someone brought a dune buggy. That's cool. SRT 4 Neon. So kind of cool. I hadn't realized they actually made this into a T-top. This was based on the Camaro, turned into a Trans Am. That is so cool. I hadn't realized that, and now I love it even more. Pretty unique build. Rear mount turbo Oldsmobile Bravado. That's pretty dope.
Video should be posted on the Southern Gear page. Okay.
I'm gonna head over towards the exit because it seems like some people are doing accelerations though. The first time in however long for me, meat-wise. That way. Cool lifted Bronco. I like those. Avalon TRD. Kind of cool. Porsche 911. Good looking Camaro. I am a fan of that body. I hear the turbo on it now. Jeez. GSP pulling in over that way. So not going to have Police showed up recently, and they're stationed at the restaurant over there, the gas station over there. I'm not sure how many people are going to do anything anymore. Turbo truck. I love this. GTO coming out. Nomad. I'm gonna end today's video here since police started, stationing around. There's not really people doing anything crazy anymore. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.